Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziman Biazlan. Uh, we are from RAS 1203B, and me and my friend will be talking about refrigerator. Our group members consist of number one, Fahid Amiri bin Muhammad Rozaini, number two, Muhammad Aziman Biazlan, and last but not least, Muhammad Nur Hazran bin Nur Asmadi. Moving on to introduction. Refrigerator. It is the silent guardian in the center of each modern kitchen, keeping perishables fresh and extending their shelf life. Refrigerator. It is an essential domestic equipment which has evolved to become both a technological marvel and a household need. Two main topics that will be discussed in these videos are as follows. Number one, need. Number two, approach. Component of need. First and foremost, what key need will you meet? Number one, temperature control. It is for maintaining a consistent and optimal temperature to preserve the freshness of perishable food items. Number two, organization and accessibility. Providing features that allows users to organize and access their food items easily, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Number three, energy efficiency. Ensuring the appliance operates efficiently to reduce energy consumption, contributing to cost savings and environmental sustainability. Last but not least, durability. Designing durable components to enhance the lifespan of the refrigerator and reduce the need for frequent repairs or replacement. Moving on, whose key need specifically? One of many includes households, chefs, and also individuals aiming for enhanced food preservation and organization. To mitigate potential issues and attain optimal refrigeration efficiency, it is highly recommended that users invest in advanced refrigerator models.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahim Amiri bin Muhammad Zaini. So today I will present to you about how often do people experience this problem and when. Every time someone utilizes a refrigerator and then they are continuously looking for, they will encounter various of issues such as production of noising, the spotting problem, dosing problem, and temperature issue. However, particularly for a family, store that sell drink and also uh, company that use a refrigerator really needs to choose the best refrigerator to their life. Okay, next. How big is the problem for user or customer? Firstly, a refrigerator temperature issue can happen at any time, and this happen because damage compressor malfunctioning thermostat or have issue with the cooling system. The importance of temperature problem in refrigerator to user or consume various. It is quite typical problem that consume could run across at some time in their refrigerator life. The degree of temperature variation, the kind of object being stored, and the length of the problem or affect how serious the situation is. Okay, next problem is about a noise. Noise issue can develop over time. This happen because have issue with the fan, motor or compressor problem also will entail on moving part. Some user and customers may be concerned about refrigerator noise. However, the problem important varies based on personal preference, living arrangement, and the type of noise in question. Okay, what will happen if the need is not met? Firstly, if a temperature issue is not addressed, it can lead to various problems to customer, such as health and safety concerns. Food that has been in proper store can be dangerous to your health if you eat it, especially if the warmer temperature causes bacteria to grow. After that, food spoil. Perishable items like meat and dairy product can expire quickly if not properly. When building refrigerator or exploring alternate cooling method, it is critical to consider the thermal physics principle of convective heat transmission as well as the limitation of the wind chill effect. Okay, lastly, if the noise problem is not addressed, several potential consequences may arise, including component damage. Unusual or excessive noise that does go away could be a sign of a falling compressor, fan, or motor inside the refrigerator. This problem could cause more harm to the damaged areas if ignored. After that, negative impact on food quality. Food stored in the refrigerator may be not be safe or of high quality if there are underlying noisy related problem preventing the refrigerator from performing at its best. Comprehending the foundation concept of rotational physics, such as torque and angular momentum, might facilitate the development of more noisy absorbing fan mechanism.
Next, in this part, we will talk about component of approach. And this is component of approach what we will talk about. Our first pillar, tailor precision, signifies our commitment to customizing solutions based on individual needs, ensuring a personalized and highly effective approach to meet the unique preference of our users. Furthermore, with our holistic integration strategy, we seamless we seamlessly blend cutting-edge technology, sustainability practice, and unmatched user experience to deliver a comprehensive solution that redefine the standard of modern living, adding to our uniqueness in the adaptive scalability aspect, providing flexibility to evolve with changing needs, ensuring long-term effectiveness that adapt to the dynamic nature of our user lifetimes. In our broad solution overview, smart ecosystem integration takes center stage as we revolutionize the way devices communicate, enhancing efficiency and user convenience. Sustainable design stands as a testament to our commitment to the environment, where we prioritize eco-friendly material and incorporate energy-efficient technologies to significantly reduce our environmental impact. Simultaneously, our dedication to user-centric innovation ensure our solution feature intuitive interface, accessibility, and ease of use, ultimately enhancing overall customer satisfaction. However, such innovation comes with its set of challenges, and we have proactively addressed this through our technical initiative, from optimizing energy consumption through the development of advanced algorithms and hardware to minimize energy usage without compromising performance, to overcoming compatibility challenges with interoperability. Our commitment to excellence knows no bounds. Data security is a top priority, and we implement robust measures to safeguard user data, ensuring privacy in our interconnected system. Additionally, our dedication to continuous improvement is reflected in the establishment of mechanisms for updates and enhancement, allowing us to proactively address emerging technical issues and stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, this is not just a presentation of products, it is a testament to our commitment to providing solutions that are as dynamic and adaptable as their needs they serve. So thank you for your attention, and we look forward to transforming the way you experience modern living. Thank you.